Mr. Hermawan, Mrs. Yat, and Mr. Norman Sasson. Good morning.
Okay, and good morning everyone. We are
Matakaca from Universitas Indonesia. Okay, first of all, I would like to tell you about the member of our team, Matakaca team. The first one is Ednaz Hermawan as the project manager. The second one is me, Reza Bhaskoro, as public relation and business analyst. And the third one is Rizki Perdana Rangkuti as the developer. And also we have Mr. Catur Apriono in the backstage. He's our team mentor.
Okay, now let's start our main presentation today. First of all, is about the background why we build this product. Okay, first one is about the workers. Maybe some of you want to ask me, but what happened with workers, right? Okay, workers usually do their job around 40 hours per week, but data in South Korea says that there are workers in there have 52 hours per week to work. It means what? It means they have a big possibility to get tired, which means it can affect their own health too. And also, with this condition, they have no free time to check their own health, to go to the doctor when something wrong happened on their body. Then let's see, in other case, they can go to the doctor to check their own health. Okay, but as we know that if we go to the doctor without making an appointment before, we can possible to see a long queue in there, and it can waste our time too. And the last, but not the least in our presentation today, we need something that we call it early detection. So, why is it necessary? Because by doing early detection, we can prevent ourselves from the worst things happen on our body. For example, in the kidney or the cancer disease, people know their disease early, can reduce their disease and be healthy again, like this. And I think it's a big problem. So what do you think about it, Reza?
Yeah, I also agree that there's a big problem with us.
Okay, do you have a solution with this condition?
But before that, maybe you want to explain about some comments.
In this project, we have asked some workers in Jakarta about what they feel about their work site. The first one is Dita. Dita is a woman employee in Jakarta. She said that her job takes so much time in a week, and she almost confused to schedule herself to go to the doctor when something happened in her body. The next one is Professor Rizki from Universitas Indonesia. Also says that her job takes a lot of time in a week, and she needs a solution. How can she keep healthy and save her time too? And the next one is Lazwardi from Universitas Indonesia. Also say the same thing with the previous people before. And he hopes with the high development technology today, technology should solve this problem. Okay, I think it's a big problem. So what do you think about it, Reza?
I agree, like I said before, that that's a problem for us.
Okay. Do you have a solution with this condition?
Of course, I have a solution in here that can solve this problem at us, and I call it iridology.
Iridology? What is that, Reza? I haven't heard about that before.
Okay, I will explain you about iridology. Iridology is a method where you can detect the problem of your internal organs through your iris. It was found by Dr. Ednaz Hermawan in 1861, and after Dr. Ednaz found the iridology, Dr. Bernard Jensen also found the iridology map, a map that draws our internal organ condition from our iris.
Wow, I think it's a great solution. But how can this solution solve my problem? For example, I need a simple way, I need a simple solution that I can use anytime I want. For example, like I use my cell phone.
Yeah, in here at us, actually, we implement iridology into a cell phone, into a Windows phone, and we call it Iris or iridology software.
But how does it work?
Okay, now I will explain you about the demo.
Okay.
Okay, we will see about the demo. Maybe we can wait for a minute.
So why you choose Windows Phone as your platform to build iOS?
Yeah, we use Windows Phone because first of all, it is a cell phone and it has a high mobility. You can use it anytime, anywhere, of course.
Yeah.
And second, we use it because because it has a very big potential market in the 2015. Maybe I will explain later about that. Let's just check our demo in here. First of all, after we open the application, we need to input the login details. Of course, we need your IDs, maybe for make appointment, or maybe you can want to ask question in the forum that is integrated in our application. We can press the submit and you will see the confirmation and you will see the main menu in here. For example, the main menu, we can try maybe, you check to Mr. Ednaz?
Yes, I love it.
Okay. For example, we try to capture a new image of Ednaz eyes. We try to capture image in here. We need to focus first. Okay, maybe we need to take a more focused picture in here. I'm sorry for the time. We need to take focus to get an accurate result, of course. After we take the picture, and then we will confirm the image. And after that, we make sure the position of the iris. After we make sure, we crop it by clicking the button. We need to make sure it first. Okay, we confirm it. And the second is we need to make sure the position of the pupil, because we only need the iris area. We only detect the iris area. After that, we can confirm that. Yeah, in here you can see some result. For example, Ednaz in here have possibility to get some. For example, nose disease.
Wow. Okay.
You are possible to get nose disease.
Yes.
And after that, if we press one of the disease possibility, if you press it, you will see some prevention or suggestion page. You need to do this prevention or suggestion step to avoid the worst risk from the possibility disease that you can get. After that, maybe we can save the result, for example. Okay, after that, we back to the main menu. The main menu here, we also have history menu. The history menu, you can show us the history. Yeah, the top of the page is our last checks to Mr. Ednaz. For example, we can see it in the history menu. It is saved in there, like you see. And normally is also we have an integrated forum in it. For the forum, we have some threads. We also can make comments, can create comments inside one of the threads. Okay, for example, after we confirm it, it will be shown in the thread in the forum. And after that, we can back. Yeah, we can also make a new topic inside our forum to ask questions, maybe, or maybe to search some information about our disease. Okay, another menu here, maybe we have schedule menu, maybe we can try this week. The schedule menu, you will see the appointment that you make with doctors. For example, we already have 3 appointments in here, and also we can add new appointment by clicking the add button. After we add new appointment, you will see some doctor suggestion in there. It is based on your location where you access your cell phone, where you access our application from your cell phone. For example, we create an appointment with Dr. Ginting. We can confirm it, okay, and we will confirm the date that Dr. Ginting has to make appointment with us. So that you will see the list in the appointment when you
So I can avoid long queuing when I go to the doctor.
Yes, of course, you can save your time by not queuing in the hospitals. And also at last, we can conclude the 3 main features in iris in here. The first one, we can detect our disease from our eyes. The second one, we can make appointment directly to the specialist or to the doctors from our application. And the third one, it has an integrated forum inside our application, so we can actually develop a new community among people to support each other.
Wow, it's a great solution, Reza. Now imagine I'm in investor, and I would like to give some investment in your product. So I need you to explain to me more detail about the technical side of your product, maybe for the system architecture, maybe.
Okay, for example, for the details of product, the first one is the system architecture. Maybe you can see in the slide. The first one, actually we installed this application in the Windows Phone, and from our Windows Phone, it can be used by the general people, and also it can be used by some health practitioners, maybe doctors or specialists, to check their patients. And also, we can make agreement with some hospitals to answer some question or give information in our room. And also, we can make agreement with Microsoft SQL Azure as the database server, and also we can maybe integrate it with Bing Map Service as your location where you access our IRIS system. Next one is about the program flow chart. Maybe Ednaz, you want to know about something from the
For example, can you explain to me step by step how to make an appointment with some doctor?
Making appointment.
Yes.
Okay, like I said before, but I will explain you details in here. The first one, you need to open application first and start the program, and after that you need to input the login details, and then you need to choose the schedule menu, and from there you can add appointment to the doctors, and you will get some suggestion based on your location, and the suggestion is the doctors that is closest to you, so you can search, you can reach it quickly.
Okay, Reza, I think your product is well prepared. Now, I want to know about the target market of your product. How about the target market of your product, Reza?
Okay, every product has a target market, of course. In here we have two main targets. The first one is the full-time workers. As we know, according to BPS, in our country, we have 108 million workers, and I think that's a very big potential market if we want to sell our product, for example, in the marketplace. And the second one, the target market that we have in here is the patient that need more information about the disease. In here we have done keyword research from Bing.com. For example, a heart attack disease was searched about 200,000 times in a month. And I think that's a very quite big number, I think. So people can actually search it from the Bing.com, for example. But it is more simple if we search it from our application by asking directly to the specialists, to the doctors from our forum.
Okay, I agree with you. 108 million people is a big potential market to sell your product. But what makes you so confident with your product? I mean, what makes IRIS special than the others?
Yeah, actually in here we have compared IRIS with the conventional way without using IRIS. And by not using IRIS, the first one, we will get some disadvantages. For example, we will waste our time because time on consultation, time on queuing on the hospitals because we haven't done the appointment, or maybe wasting time just to make sure that we are healthy or not. And the last one, it is hard to find information about our disease in the, for example, Bing.com or what, because you need to search it manually one by one. But by using IRIS, we solve those problems, and actually we will get some advantages. For example, IRIS has high mobility. Like I said before, Ednaz, it is installed in a Windows Phone, in a cell phone, so you can use it anytime, anywhere. And the second one, you can save your time, because you can directly meet a specialist because you already done the appointment. And by doing that also, we can save the time without queuing.
Yes.
And also it will easy to find information about our disease because we have an integrated forum, and also we can ask questions to the expert from our forum.
Okay, anything else?
Yeah, do you know Millennium Development Goals, Ednaz?
Millennium Development Goals from United Nations, right?
That's correct. As we know, the United Nations has 8 Millennium Development Goals, and IRIS system takes the two main points of it. The first one is to combat disease, and the second one is to create a global partnership for development.
But wait, Reza, are your product only works in a preventive way as a early detection, right?
That is correct, that our product works in a preventive way. But also, it's not only that, Ednaz. We work in a curative way. For example, if our product is used by some health practitioners, for example, doctors. In this case, they can avoid of giving the wrong medicine to their patient. For example, if their patient comes to the doctor and doctor check first about the condition of their internal organs, they can give the right medicine without damaging other organs.
Okay. The last thing I want to know about the money.
Okay.
Of your product, how much do you need? So implementing your product in market.
Okay, now we're talking about business right here.
Yes.
If you want to implement something, some product in the market, of course we have a basic requirement. For example, in here we have a server system, and the price is about $7,300. And for the traffic internet, we need $100. So the total amount, if you want to invest your money in our product, is $7,400.
What? $7,000? I think it's a big number for me, Reza. Okay, now I want to know about what benefit for me from my investment on your product. I know that $7,000 is a big number for me, Reza.
Maybe for some people, $7,000 is quite a big number. But by investing your money, we have some assumption in here. First of all, we can sell our product in the marketplace only $2. And by doing that, we only need 4,000 people, 4,000 users to buy our application to get your money back.
So?
Yeah, I mean 4,000 users from the amount of 108 million workers in Indonesia. I think that's a very big potential market. And the next assumption that we have in here, our server system in here can handle about 200,000 users. And if we fulfill the 200,000 users, we can actually get $400,000 or 50 times from your first investment.
Okay. 50 times for my investment.
Also, by investing your money in our product, you can actually develop a new community among people by using our Windows Phone, by using our system, Iris system, because we have an integrated forum. And also, the community among people can support each other from our cell phone. So, what do you think about our product?
Wow, it's a great solution. Iris is a good solution. Because what? First one, I can use it to detect my organ's problem as my early detection way. The second, I can use it to making appointment with doctor directly. So, I can avoid a long queue when I go to the doctor to check my body. The third one is with the Iris system, I can default community in there. So, I can increase the people of awareness, the importance of early detection. And the last thing is that if I am a real investor, I will definitely invest my money in your product.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for saying that, Ednaz. And also, Ednaz, we have asked some opinions to some health practitioners in our city, Depok City. For example, here we have Dr. Harun, the Vice Director for General Affairs and Facilities, Universitas Indonesia. He said that our product is good. It is a simple solution that will give a big impact among people, and also it can increase the awareness of people of the importance of early detection, and also it can be implemented in our university. It is possible to say like that. And the second one is from Dr. Hardiono. He is the head of the department of Depok City. He also said that he supports our system, and also it is possible to be implemented in some hospitals in Depok City. Okay, now from the conclusion of our presentation today, the first one, Iris is a solution for saving time and money. And the second one, Iris is a solution to early detect our disease. And the last one, by using Iris, we can build a new community to support each other. Okay, thank you so much for your attention.
MC-nya ada di belakang mas, santai, relax dulu, santai dulu. Sebelum memasuki babak yang sangat menegangkan yang sudah hadir di samping saya. Tepuk tangan yang lagi dong, boleh dong. Dan Matakaca from Universitas Indonesia Jakarta, Project Iris. Every day.
Find out what we're made of. all to help our friends in need. You can count on